Hi, here is my review of the Samsung RSG5MUBP side-by-side American fridge freezer. As you can see, it's black in colour. It has a 411 litre fridge and a 204 litre freezer. It has a digital display, as you can see here. It's got a power freeze, which allows you to quickly freeze foods that spoil quicker, or if you've had something out the freezer longer, if the door's been opened, that freezes it quicker. Has a freezer, which allows you to change the temperature on the freezer. Has the ice off option, so you can turn the ice off or on. It also gives you the option to change the type of ice you take. So you can have cubed ice, or you can have crushed ice, or you can turn it off. This is the water. Push that, and then, can't see it, but there's a black button. Push that for your water. There's a lighting option. As you've seen there, when I touched the black button at the back, it actually turned on a light. But you can push this. Oh, you can push this, and it puts the light on, and that will stay on all the time. It also has a fridge option. Gives you the opportunity to change the temperature of the fridge. And it also has, you can see that there's a child lock. Stops the kids from being able to mess about with the buttons. And it also has a vacation setting. If you push and hold that for 3 seconds, it sets the temperature of the fridge at 15 degrees. So if you empty your fridge, it will stay fresh, and your fridge freezer will just work as normal. If I open the fridge freezer up here, you can see it's got 2 really deep drawers at the bottom there. Quite easy to manoeuvre as well. You slide it, it's got 4 large shelves. Also has 3 extra storage shelves in the side of the door. And this is your ice bucket. It's quite easy to take off. Don't know if you've seen that there. It also comes with an additional shelf if you're not using the ice maker. You put this in here, and it gives you some extra storage for your ice cream, frozen peas, whatever you're after. The shelves are quite sturdy. When you're taking them out, you do have to slant to get out. Close that. In the fridge, as you can see, there's 5 shelves on the door. Quite big shelves as well. Means you can free up your fridge for your other stuff. It's got 3 large drawers at the bottom. It's got 2 vegetable drawers. These are really quite deep. If you can see in there, I've got lots in there. The empty one is quite deep. Quite easy to get in and out as well. This is my favourite part. It's got a retractable shelf. So if you take this for example, you buy a bottle of juice, you can't fit it in. All you do is slide this back, so it fits in easily. Also, if you don't need to use that shelf, it's quite handy to have back. Easy to bring out and in. Also comes with a wine rack. It's got the extra compartment here. The good things about the freezer is it is very large for a large family like ourselves. Plenty of extra space, as you can see. So much room on the shelves still to be filled. Some of the not so good points about the fridge freezer is the tightness whilst trying to remove the shelves. There's not a lot of space to come out. It also has an alarm. Hear that alarm? If you leave the door open for a certain amount of time, the alarm goes off. It's got great lighting in the fridge as well, and also the freezer, as you can see. Lights up all the way down at the back. Fresh water, touch of a button. What more can you ask for? Thanks EO.com.